Hey guys, good morning, welcome back. This is Sierra, and if you're new to my channel, which you might be because I know that my Stitch Fix videos bring in a lot of new people every month. My name is Sierra and I'm an American who lives in England. Every week I make a new video about my family's life here and the shenanigans that either I get up to or we get up to as a family on the weekly. I try to post every week. Sometimes I post twice a week. Come December, I might post a little bit more often. I haven't really decided yet, but anyways, as you guys can tell by the title of today's video is going to be another one of my Stitch Fix unboxing, which I already mentioned. And I'm excited about it because every time I get a Stitch Fix box, it's like Christmas morning. It's like a little present because I have no idea what is inside of it. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, I know I've explained it multiple times before, and I'll put one of my video links up in the description. I give it a little bit more detail, but the short version is Stitch Fix is a styling subscription service where you fill out a quiz about what you like and your sizes, and then a real human stylist will look at all of it and choose some pieces for you, mail them to your house, and then you pay for the pieces that you want and you mail back the pieces that you don't want. There's a little bit more to it than that, but that's kind of the Reader's Digest version. Also, just like every other Stitch Fix video, I need to disclose again, I am not being sponsored by Stitch Fix. However, I do have a little referral code just like everyone else who uses Stitch Fix. I'll put in the description for you, and depending on what month you click on it, the discount varies, but right now I think the discount is $25. So if you use the link below, you will get $25 off of your first fix, and also I will get that same amount back for my next fix. So if you do want to give it a try, it is down in the description. If you don't and you just want to watch me unbox some clothes, that's cool too. But anyways, let's get started. I'm very excited because this box is a little bigger than my boxes past. I did ask for warm cozy things for this fix, so hopefully I got a lot of warm stylish cozy things, but once again I have no idea what's in it. Well, I have a couple ideas. I know about two of the items because Stitch Fix just started doing this Stitch Fix preview thing, and I didn't do it the month before and the fix was terrible, so I did it this month, and hopefully this fix will be a little bit better. So I know about two of the items in the box, but the other three I don't know about, so it'll be exciting. So let's get into it. I already cut the box open because I wanted to get that done before filming, so just pull everything out. My mail return form, not that exciting. My bill, which actually I do want to look at my bill for just a second because I had an issue last time where some reason my stylist wasn't available, and I just want to see if it's got the same person. Good news. Okay, it is Diane again. So Diane has been my Stitch Fix stylist since the beginning, and she is incredible, and I'm excited that we're able to work together again this month because last month's fix was not with Diane, and it wasn't terrible, but it was not anywhere near my style. So anyway, let's pull out this box of goodness. Oh, pretty heavy. There we go. And we're gonna give it to it. Let's move this box out the way. Knock over a pile of stuff. It's fine. It's fine. You guys can't see it, but there's a big old mess over there right now. All right, first item in the box appears to be a sweater with holes in it at the bottom. That's interesting. And it is just like a color block sweater. The colors are very autumnal, which I like. Looks, I don't know, I think the texture of the sweater is very interesting because I feel like it has like a, the checkery texture and the lines and like the usual knitted texture, so don't know what I think about that, but the colors are interesting. I just don't know if I would have chosen to put these colors together. Once again, one of the main reasons I do Stitch Fix is because it's able to show me items I probably wouldn't pick out, so we will see what that looks like. Okay, and the next item in the box is, I think, a dress, and I don't know where the top of it is. Give me a minute. There we go. It's a dress, and it has very interesting little, is it diamonds? No, they're like little paint swatches, which is cool. Lately, Little Man and I have recently gotten into painting together, which has been fun. So I feel like this is very representative of our family's recent activities. I really like the color of it. I think this green color. If you guys watch my channel, you guys know that my autumn / cooler weather jacket, it's a trench coat, is this color, so I love the color. Very nice. Okay, let's move on to the next item, which this is one of the items I did know about, and it is a green skirt. The reason I said yes to this one is because I feel like I have so many pencil skirts, but I don't have very many in colors. I have blacks, browns, I think I have a purple, but not a green, so I wanted to try a green one. This is very cute. That's all I have to say about it, is that it's very cute. So I'm very excited about that one. A little bit concerned about how the fit's going to be because I feel like every pencil skirt is a little bit different depending on the length. So we'll see how that goes. Moving on to the next item. It is, I think, a shirt? No. Skirt? Dress. It's a dress. Okay, I think it's another dress. And it is a very pretty purple periwinkle color. which I actually really like. If you guys saw my spring fix, I had a sweater that was this color in it, but the sleeves are too short and it made me really sad. So that's exciting. I'll definitely want to give this a try. It's very soft too, which if you watch my channel or you've seen any of my fix unboxings, I love soft things, so that's very nice. I have the last item, which is another one of the items that I actually picked out, and it is a sweater, and it does not look anything like the picture. Well, that's not true. It looks a lot different in the picture, but anyways, let's look at it. It looks like this. It has kind of like an Icelandic type vibe to it. I actually saw a really beautiful Icelandic sweater, but it was 100% wool and it was really expensive and I really wanted it. But again, I don't like to buy products that contain wool, so I was excited when I saw this on my Stitch Fix preview. It kind of looks a little bit like the Icelandic sweater that I saw, except a little bit kinder, so that's exciting. I like how it looks so far. It just doesn't look quite like I expected, but we will give it a try and see what happens. All right, that's everything in the box, and now I'm going to look for my bill and I'm going to tell you guys how much each item costs. The reason that I don't like to do that right away as I am unboxing is because I don't like the price of the item to kind of sway me in my first impression. So the dress here is $44, which seems a little bit cheap for a dress with this much material. We'll see what happens. I have had issues in the past with similar materials and this price point being very, very thin, so I don't know what that's gonna be about yet. And then the black pullover is $48 for a sweater. For this sweater, that seems very affordable, maybe a little bit too affordable, so I'm gonna have to check the seams and everything, but I can already tell I'm probably gonna keep this because I liked it so much online, but I do want to give it a try. So yeah, there's that one. And then the green skirt was $68. So this has to fit like a glove and look incredible for me to pay $68 for a skirt. And then the knit wrap dress, I'm guessing would be this one. And the wrap dress is $58. And then the last item was the 3-color sweater, and that one is $58. Overall, the final total for this fix is $276, and if I keep everything in the box, my final total will be only $207. So yeah, that's my little unboxing. I'm really excited to try this sweater on the most. I think the item I'm a little bit iffy on is this one, but only because I usually don't wear things like this. But anyways, that is the unboxing. I am going to rearrange my studio a little bit so that I can do the try on video. According to some of your feedback, I know that some of you would prefer for me to do the try on and the unboxing in the same video, but because I want to get this uploaded as quickly as possible, splitting it into 2 videos makes it a little bit shorter and faster to upload. Also, if you just want to see the unboxing, you can just watch that. Or if you just want to see the try on, then you can do that. I might change that in the future. I haven't really decided, but yeah, that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe below, and also let me know which item you think I'm gonna like the best, and then you guys can find out when you watch the try on video, which I will link up in the cards in the description. And also in the comment section, let me know whether or not you've tried Stitch Fix before and which of the items you think that I'm gonna like the most when I try them on, and I'll see you guys next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.